Look at that. They have a nice little house here. So we're gonna have to spray.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Stonehill Cabin. We have done many videos on our deer stand that we built up on the top of this plateau up here, and during the building stage we had trouble with, I think they're carpenter ants. We just came up here a week ago and noticed that the entire floor underneath our little mat is covered in those same ants. So between that and then just the typical moths and bugs and spiders, we thought, we might as well do a little treatment here. So we got some of this stuff, Ortho Home Defense. I have no idea if it's going to work, but we're going to give it a shot. And then we also have this other stuff called a hot shot. So we're gonna do some mixed potions here and see what we can solve between the two products. So now the fun part, we get to hike up the hill.
The entire deer stand structure is made out of treated lumber except for the plywood siding. You know, we had ants eating the plywood siding and it was stacked on the ground, so we thought if we were to just brush off all the ants, get everything up in the air, having all the treated lumber down below touching the ground, they just wouldn't be attracted to go up high and look for the untreated lumber. But sure enough, they are. Everything is treated except that plywood siding. So it just must be enough for them to get up there, lay their eggs, make their nest, and eat the siding.
Party's over, boys. Your little Airbnb shutting you down. All right, next is the hot shot fogger. It says it will treat 2,000 cubic feet. And I think we're at what, like 1,500, babe? Cubic feet?
No.
And you just fog the whole thing? No?
You said cubic feet?
Yeah, 9 by 12 by 9. Pretty close. Anyway, yeah, it's just gonna fog the whole place. We're just gonna leave it for a week and just let everything settle. All right, so how does this fogger work?
Basically, don't look at it in the eye. They said don't push it and look at it. Huh, really?
Okay.
Gotta get out of here.
I know, it's already getting bad.
All right. There's some ants running for cover.
Oh, really?
Just a few.
That's right. Hit the road, guys. That should take care of the carpenter ants and the spiders and the moths, whatever else we got hanging out up here. Well, Joel and I hope that this video was helpful, maybe inspires you to hike out to your deer stand, check for bugs, bring some home defense, and maybe one of those foggers. Just kind of make it last a little bit longer. Hope it was helpful, guys. See you next time.